G'day viewers, this one's a message for streamers. Yep, I'm a game playing streamer and I had problems with reflections on my glasses and it was starting to bug me because you could see the reflection of my screen in my glasses and you notice right now, you can't. I watched quite a few tutorials, did quite a bit of Googling, and they're going, oh, put up a reflector here and put up a light here and put up a different light here. And then I remembered something. I'm a photographer and they're not. One of the really cool things that you can use as a photographer is called a circular polarizing filter. This happens to be one right here. Well, it's Packet because the actual one's on the webcam. And I'll stick some photos in this video right about now. So this is the whole setup with OBS and the game and the webcam sitting up on top of the thing. And this one is a close-up of the filter sitting on the webcam. Now, granted, mounting this thing with a couple of rubber bands over the top of the webcam could probably be better. But it's just a good thing to know that if you bung one of these on the top of your webcam, it kills the reflection from your glasses dead. And it doesn't seem to affect anything else. Pretty cool. So many people seem to try and fix it, and they do it the hard way, and well, maybe their ways work, but this is easy. And guess what? You can buy these filters for next to nothing. You can even buy clip-on ones that are designed for drones and things like that. So chances are they'll clip on your webcam. I've actually ordered a couple to try it out. We'll see. I'll let you know how it goes. Alrighty. See you later. Bye.